think we're missing, like, I don't see his head. And I don't see his torso piece either. So I think I'm just gonna put this back and we will revisit at a later date. Oh wait, here it is. Okay. I get confused because they put these glowing eyes on there and then the actual figure doesn't have glowing eyes. So I think we're okay. There we go. Came together pretty easy. My favorite feature of this guy right here is if you roll that back, the blaster moves forward. He's really heavy for his joints. They're not cracked, although I'm sure they're just not as strong as they used to be. See, he's like leaning forward all on his own. There we go. And if you go like that, blaster flips forward. Super cool. If I recorded it right. Ah! So this one doesn't sell for nearly as much as the other Titan, and I think I know why, because it's kind of frustrating. But there we go. It's like a $40 Bionicle. That piece right there is really cool. The translucent tubing. Okay, glad that came together. Let's do something different and much smaller. Exoforce. Let's see what's up. A very small piece count here. (2006). I missed this one. This whole series here. Didn't pay attention to it at all. That came together super easy. I was gonna record it and then it would have been like 2 seconds long. So there you have it. It's actually pretty neat. You can kind of see the beginnings of all the Star Wars mech suits and Marvel mech suits in this. It's just, you know, I have my opinions about those, but I think I'm one of those that now I wish Lego had more of its own original themes, but I guess we all almost made them bankrupt, and that's why they partnered with Star Wars and Marvel, and all that is their most profitable IP, I would imagine. So they're not really going to do stuff like this anymore. Ninjago's been one of their more successful ones for sure. That looks cooler in the photo. Let's make his eyes glow. Yeah, I think he looks much cooler standing like that. Let's have him chop again. Hacha! I think I'm ready to do a big one. So for a few brick-built droids. I think I got all the minifigures. Found a couple more bits. So most of that one. Yeah, we look good. Okay. Oh, and the gonk. Gotta find the gonk. Right there. Okay. Let's dig in. So building as I go and do organizing at the same time, and this thing is gonna be huge. There's my hand as reference. Do I have a ruler in here? 11 inches long so far, and the top is gonna jut out further. So this is massive. I keep looking at this C-3PO thinking he's fake, but he's legit. And then I found the gonk. So we are doing it. Okay, we are moving and grooving now. I'm so confused. So you see that gap right there in between this piece and that piece? That doesn't exist for me. And I can't figure out why that would be the case. That looks flush. More or less. It's hard to tell. I don't know what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, come on. Oh, jeez. There we go. Admittedly, I was a little worried about building this one. I tend to not like very repetitive sets. Like, I don't like the vehicles for Lego Technic, and I was worried this was going to be very, very repetitive, but it's very exciting and satisfying to put together. I really, really like this one. So you remember in the directions, there was this part where like this looked like it needed to be back one stud. Well, just comparing it to this, it's flush. So I think we're okay. I don't know what that was about. Very happy right now with this. Only thing missing is some tools, and that is not an issue at all. Okay, I will post this after I'm done recording this video. So if you're interested, it'll be on eBay. Go snag it. It's very, very cool. It would make a fine addition to anybody's collection. That sounded more like Gimli than General Grievous. It's sweet. It's sweet. I wish I had the space for it. I'm tempted to keep it, but there's other stuff that you haven't even seen yet that I will be way more interested in keeping, so I got to use this to pay for that stuff. But it's incredibly, incredibly cool. So I'm looking at that and not even the camera. I will catch y'all later. Have a good weekend. See ya.